Akışa göre bakarız kuzum. Museum of Goa var mesela. Art Museum.
Here in Goa, India. We were tired of riding a motorcycle and wanted a break. This is one of the cafes that has the best reviews around Panjim area. We haven't drank a proper coffee since 2 months. Thinking about our life in Istanbul, drinking coffee for almost 3 times a day. It is a groundbreaking change. I haven't tracked my progress about with or without coffee. But the thing is, I miss the smell, the texture of latte. The place has a great decoration. It is a bit noisy since it is by the road, but I enjoyed my perfect coffee very much. I almost forgot my cell phone that has a green screen issue. When we first landed, I tried to open my cell phone. It has an error of a green screen. All my plans kinda in that phone, and I feel so desperate about it. I couldn't find any place to fix it. Also, I don't have anyone to trust. So I decide to wait and spend my time without a phone. Let's see how will it be.
Ay çok iyi ya. Story yapayım.
Ben de yapmak istiyorum. Benim telefonum ne durumda acaba?
Bak bakayım.
Telefon... Burada böyle telefoncu var mı acaba? Ekran mı değiştirsek? Neyse bekleyelim biraz. Aslında bir Mac'i olan bir insan olsa hemen halledeceğim.